Hey, congratulations and thank you so much for registering for my masterclass. Now I have a private VIP group on Facebook, okay? And when you click on that link, I would like you to go and introduce yourself to super active, passionate VIP members in that particular group and tell me about you. Like, where are you coming from, and are you working in a job, or are you someone who is looking forward to start your own business, or you're already owning a business, or are you someone looking for a lifestyle change so that you can restart your career, so that everyone can see and encourage your journey, and I'll be engaging with you in that particular post. Okay, so make sure you check your email right now. All the details of the webinar are actually given over there, and it's very important that you attend the webinar live. Bookmark your calendar and do not miss this for anything, because I don't keep doing this masterclass all the time and the topics keep changing, and I want to make sure that you are there 100% for this particular one. Okay, it's going to be a very interactive session, and trust me, it will be the best decision you will ever make by spending that valuable 90 minutes with me in that webinar. Okay, something inside you will shift for sure. So click on that link, introduce yourself in my VIP group. It's private VIP group, so I will be granting access manually within a few minutes or hours, and I look forward to know more about you before we meet in the live webinar. Okay, all the best, and I'll see you in the webinar.